I'm Kelly. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to brighten and lift your eye area. When you choose a concealer for your under eye area, what you want to do is you want to take your wrist and that blue vein that goes right up the wrist, you want your concealer to be able to cover that blue vein and still blend in with your skin. So we're going to take a little bit of this concealer and we're going to pat it on her wrist over top of that blue vein. And we want to make sure that it covers, because if you can get your concealer to cover that blue vein on the inside of your wrist, it's definitely going to cover any dark circles that you have under the eye area. So you want it to be able to still blend in with your skin or be about half a shade lighter. You never want it to be darker on that eye area. We don't want to add to it. We want to brighten. We also don't want to go the other extreme and go too light, because that will kind of lead to a raccoon effect. That looks like a really good color for her. It's covering and neutralizing that blue vein, but it's blending in with her skin as well.